Alright, we're gonna make a steak, baked potatoes, chicken. We're going to poke holes in the potatoes so the potatoes cook quicker.
Granny Pig has a plane to catch.
She's going on holiday.
Holiday? I never have time to go on holiday. I'm too busy being in a hurry.
Miss Rabbit, are you talking like a taxi?
The taxi has arrived at the airport.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Granny.
Train doors are waving Granny Pig goodbye. Here is Mr. Wolf. Taxi!
Bye-bye, Mr. Wolf.
Pepper and George love waving goodbye.
Bye-bye.
That's so sad.
Miss Rabbit's taxi is full of sand.
Bye, boss.
Hello, Miss Rabbit. Hello, Mummy Pig. I quite understand if you don't want to stay.
No, I'll stay. Us grown-ups will have a nice quiet chat while the children play.
Oh, okay.
This is the Soft Play Centre, where everything is soft, so children can bounce, swing, squash, slide, and play.
This is great. The children are having so much fun.
Yes, just hope we can get them out of the end.
Little children have been playing all day.
Hello, children.
That was a lovely party, wasn't it?
Yes.
Have you all had fun?
Yes.
Are you ready to go home now?
Oh, my goodness. We're never going to get them out.
They're not coming for it. I'll have to go in.
Good luck. Ah, I'm stuck. Help. Don't worry. I'm coming in. Near there. Oh, no, I'm stuck. Help.
Mr. Elephant has come to collect the note.
Help. We're stuck.
No problem, lady. I'll get you out.
Please don't. You'll get stuck. It's such a
Stop! Daddy Pig, Pepper, Susie, and George.
Usually happens to me. That is going to happen to me, isn't it? I'm going to go in
Already got the pit lit. Gotta wait a little bit longer till those coals get perfect, and then when they're perfect, you spread them out. About to throw that chicken on there in a little bit. It's actually my first time barbecuing in my backyard. I've cooked twice, maybe 3 times in the front. Eat some of that. This guy wants to help cook. You want to help cook? If you don't do it with your hands like that, you're not an OG. Now you want to put the thicker pieces closer to the hotter part of the fire, because those pieces are going to take longer to render, they're going to take longer to cook. And remember, if you want to control this heat on this fire, some people don't know what to do. What you got to do is, if for some reason the flame's getting too high, well, first you got to close it. But if it's getting too high, you close this bad boy up, you suffocate it. We'll come back and check on it in a bit. Come here. Get out here.